Hey everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at stock number 29128T. It's a 2019 Ram 1500 Express. The Express gives you all the black accents, the black grille, black Ram badge up front, fog lamps down low, black 20-inch wheels, blacked out badging on your door. Let's take a look inside. All your power equipment on your doors for your mirrors, windows, and locks. Premium upholstery seating. Steering wheel has all your voice recognition for your hands-free phone calls. Cruise control, gear selection. 5-inch Uconnect radio, Sirius XM satellite radio. Your 4-wheel drive controls down here, as well as a 12-volt outlet. Your thermostat, climate controls, tow haul switch, and traction control switch. Center console opens up for some storage, and also your media hub down here with USB and auxiliary ports. Cup holders. Also, your seat will fold up for an extra passenger. Take a look here in the rear. Spacious back seat. Cup holders down below for your rear passengers. Here, fold the rug up here, and there's built-in storage down here, and that's on both sides in the rear. This does have the 3.6 liter V6 in it. Again, we're looking at stock number 29128T. It's a 2019 Ram 1500 Express. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Or give me a call at 937-778-0830, or visit us online at sherrychrysler.com.